Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MyLoanCare app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MyLoanCare is a loan comparison and financial services app that helps users find and apply for loans, credit cards, and insurance products from various banks and NBFCs. It provides real-time interest rates, EMI calculators, eligibility checks, and personalized loan offers based on your profile. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users find the app convenient for comparing different loan products without visiting multiple bank websites. The UI is clean, and the filters make it easy to search by loan type, tenure, or interest rate. Many users appreciate the EMI calculator and quick access to pre-approved offers. The app also provides regular updates on application status and reminders for EMI payments. That said, there are a few complaints. Some users report receiving too many follow-up calls after entering their details. Others mention delays in loan approvals, which often depend more on the lender than the app itself. A few users also experienced occasional app crashes or outdated rate listings, which can affect decision-making. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, MyLoanCare is a useful tool if you're actively comparing financial products or applying for loans. It saves time, offers clarity, and provides helpful insights, but be aware of marketing calls and always double-check rates with lenders directly before proceeding. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.